like that hair.
Yes. Everything. What it do, Chris crew? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, or tonight's video I should say, so in tonight's video you guys will be getting ready for date night with me. Okay, so you'll see me do my hair, you'll see me do my makeup, and I know I'm not wearing it right at this moment, but if you're watching till the end you'll be able to see what I wore as well. So hair, makeup, outfit. Okay, this hair is by DSoar hair. It is absolutely positively beautiful. This is their Peruvian natural wave. Okay, I had the bundles that were sent to me turned into a wig. So this is a 20-inch closure, and I'm wearing 22, 24, 26. I absolutely, like, I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it. Y'all be sure to check out my Instagram because y'all will be able to see photos of me, you know, out and about wearing this hair. My nose was itching. Allergies. So y'all will be able to see me out and about wearing this hair. So don't forget to check out my Instagram. Don't forget to check out DSoar hair. So all of their info and all of my info will be below in the description box. But I ain't gonna hold y'all for too long. I'm gonna let y'all get into it, you know, because we got a couple things to do so we can get cute. Well, so I can get cute for my boo. So let's get into the video. All right, you guys, the makeup is done, as you can see. So now we're going to get into the hair, the styling of the hair for date night. You know, we're going to get real cute, get real sexy. You know what I'm saying? So again, this is the DSoar hair. Okay, this is the Peruvian natural wave. I am wearing 3 bundles, 22, 24, 26. So first and foremost, I'm going to take some mousse and put some in my hand. excuse me, I like always get the hiccups when I'm filming. So I'm gonna take the mousse and put the mousse on the top, and that makes the hair, like, you know, look real sleek up top, and that's what we want. Y'all see it? So yeah, put the mousse on top, right? Now I have my water bottle, and I'm gonna spray and spray and spray. Okay, and then we need to do the other side. So same thing. So we got one more thing to do, and that's, of course, you know, the outfit. So I'm going to show you guys what I decide to wear for date night, and that's how we're gonna close this out. So before I show you guys my outfit and I go on my date, I wanted to tell you guys, do not forget to check out DSoar hair, okay? That is the hair that I am wearing. Again, I am wearing the Peruvian natural wave. I had the bundles turned into a wig. So my closure is 20 inches, and then I'm wearing 22, 24, 26. Keep in mind, this is my second video with this hair, okay? The hair is holding up beautifully, wonderfully. It's soft, it's manageable, the pattern is everything. So yes, all of that info will be in my description box. Be sure to check out DSoar hair. So of course I have to let you guys see what I decided to wear, so keep on watching to see what I wore along with this bomb hair and makeup for date night. Keep watching to see what Jay thought about it, you know what I'm saying? So keep on watching. As always, you guys be nice to each other, but most importantly, be nice to yourself. Give this video a thumbs up if you was feeling it. Let me know what y'all think about the hair. I really love it. I've been feeling so good with it. So let me know what y'all think, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Shoes.
Shoes, dress, hair.
Turn around.
Date night was a success. Should I come down these steps? Don't get that. Come on. Was it a success to you?
It was an amazing success. Like that hair.
Yes. Everything.